In this video guide, you will learn how to send photos as documents in WhatsApp. The reason for doing this is so that the photo will not lose quality when the receiver gets it. So follow me as I put you through on how you can do that in easy steps, okay? First, I would like us to create a folder where we will place the photo you want to send as document on WhatsApp, okay? So that will make the photo stand out and not confuse us with other photos we have on our iPhone, okay? So get to the Files app. So I'll tap on Files. Then ensure you are on my iPhone, okay? That is the location, on my iPhone location. Tap the three dots at the top right. Select New Folder. Then give this folder a name. Let's call it WhatsApp Doc, okay? After that, tap the Done button. Now we have created this folder here we call WhatsApp Doc. See it here, okay? So now let's go and import a photo that wants to send as document into this folder. So get to the home screen. Get to your Photos app. Tap on it. Now this opens the Photos app showing all the photos I have on my iPhone, okay? Tap Select. Then tap the photo you want to send as document. So we need to add this photo in the folder we just created. So tap the share icon, which is at the bottom left. Then swipe up and then select Save to Files. Now get to that folder we created before. So remember it's on my iPhone location, okay? So we named it WhatsApp Doc. So tap on it and then tap the Save button, which is at the top right. Now we have saved this photo in the folder, all right? So let's get to the home screen again and then forward this photo as document to a WhatsApp user, all right? So that it doesn't lose its quality. So open the WhatsApp on your iPhone, then get to the user that you want to send the photo to. So here let's work with Mike. So tap on Mike. Tap the plus sign at the bottom left. Select document. Then select choose from files because we have already saved that in the Files app. Then you can see recent. So this is the photo we just saved now in the folder. All right, so tap on it. Select open. Select send, which is the arrow that points towards the right. And the photo is being sent. Alright, the photo is now sent to the WhatsApp user. So he is going to get it from his end. And once he gets it, he will click on it and open it without the photo losing any quality. It is that simple. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe button. The reason for this is this, so that whenever I publish a new video on technology, you will get notification on that, okay? Technology rules our world of today, so learn as much as you can. Also, hit that like button for me and leave a comment in the comment section. See you next time.